Hey everyone, I'm always trying to increase my protein intake and I have coffee every morning. So if I can get coffee and protein in the mornings, that's a win-win. So I was really excited when VitaCup gifted me this protein coffee so I could try it for my honest review. So each serving comes with 10 grams of whey isolate protein. And that's only for an 8-ounce cup of coffee. Now I usually do 16 ounces, so I'll do double the serving, which gives me 20 grams of protein. So one serving is 2 scoops. Like I said, I like to do 2 servings to get me going in the morning. So that's 4 scoops. And since this is instant coffee, all you have to do is add water. So I'm gonna add about 16 ounces. That's 2 servings. Now, normally with cold water, protein does not mix well. But this protein actually mixes super easy and it dissolves really quickly. Let me show you. It's already dissolved. And look, there's no clumps or anything. Now, if you're used to having no sugar in your coffee, then this is fine as is. I like my coffee a little bit sweet, so I am gonna add some creamer that has sugar and stir a little bit more. Now I just added some ice cubes, and now look, this is a perfect cup of iced coffee, and it's got 20 grams of protein. It tastes so good. It tastes just like iced coffee. It has a little bit more richness and creaminess to it, and that's because of the protein and the little bit of creamer I added. And it only has 45 calories per serving, which makes it slim. So if you love coffee and you're trying to increase your protein intake, then I highly recommend this Slim Protein Coffee by VitaCup.